Hello, welcome to the My Day 20 of 30-Day Healthy Lifestyle Eating Plan. I am a doctor. I am a specialist in endocrinology, diabetes, and lifestyle diseases. And today we are going to continue our journey towards healthy living. I am so glad that you have decided to join me on this 30-day challenge. If you are new here, please go ahead and subscribe to get notified when I post my next videos. If you are returning, welcome back. It's good to see you again. Let's dive straight into it. Today is an exciting day because you are now halfway through this 30-day challenge. By now, you have established a routine and hopefully feeling more energized, focused, and ready to take on the rest of the month. Remember, consistency is key. Keep up the great work. Let's start with breakfast. Today, we are having a delicious quinoa bowl. Quinoa is a fantastic whole grain that is packed with protein and fiber. It cooks quickly and is very versatile. Mix together half cup of cooked quinoa, half of an apple or pear diced, 2 tablespoons of chopped nuts such as walnuts or almonds, and half cup of skim or low-fat milk. This will provide you with a well-balanced breakfast that will keep you full and satisfied until lunchtime. Lunch today is a peanut butter and banana sandwich. This is a classic combo that's both delicious and nutritious. It's a great source of protein, healthy fats, carbohydrates, and vitamins. Here is how you can make it. Use 2 slices of whole grain bread, 1 tablespoon of nut butter. You can choose between peanut, almond, cashew, or sunflower seed butter. And don't forget to add a slice of banana. To make it even healthier, you can add lettuce, tomato, or sprouts. Enjoy it as it is, or pair it with a side of carrots for extra fiber and vitamins. For a snack, grab a whole bell pepper, any color you like, and slice it up. You can dip it into hummus or guacamole. Both are great sources of plant-based protein, healthy fats, and fiber. This is a perfect light snack that will keep you full and prevent you from overeating at dinner time. And now, let's move on to dinner. Tonight, we are having a shrimp and veggie stir-fry. This is a quick and easy meal that is packed with protein and nutrients. Here is how you can make it. Use shrimp about 4 ounces and 2 cups of mixed vegetables. You can choose your favorite vegetables. For example, eggplant, peppers, onion, broccoli, mushroom, etc. And serve it over 1 cup of brown rice. You can cook the shrimp and rice according to the package instructions. Just remember not to overcook them. The vegetables should be crisp tender. Add a splash of low-sodium soy sauce or toasted sesame oil for extra flavor. And that's it for day 20. I hope you enjoyed today's menu. Remember, you are doing great. Just keep going. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. It helps with digestion, nutrient absorption, and maintaining energy levels. Also, don't forget to move your body. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Exercise can help improve your mood, reduce stress, and boost your overall health and well-being. As you progress through this challenge, I encourage you to listen to your body, rest when you need to, and be patient with yourself. Building healthy habits takes time. And remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about progress, not perfection. So keep moving forward and celebrate your successes along the way. If you found this video helpful, please don't hesitate to ask questions. I am here to support you on your journey. In the next video, we'll talk about the benefits of incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet. Until then, take care and see you soon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this.